Hello and welcome. So here today we've got the Intuitive Abstract Painting page number 9. And what I've got here is just a couple makeup sponges and a plate for my palette. And then these are so fun. I got these a long time ago. These are Patti Tolley Parrish Stencils, and I've got 2 of them I'm going to play around with today. And this one is called Pictographs 2. And it's 8 by 10, and her shop is linked below. I've got this one, and I'm just going to use bits and pieces of this. And then I've got this one. I love this one. You can tell I love this one. It is cave etchings. So I'll link those below. I'll just link istencils.com below. And then this is my brick stencil from Michaels. So those are the stencils I'm going to use today. And then I've got a couple of brayers. 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. Old gift card here for paint scraping. My little jelly plate, of course, for my palette. I've got just this one paintbrush with really hard scratchy bristles for mark making, and my stylus for scratching into the paint. So we'll see. I may use all this, I may not. Here's just a piece of mesh from some packaging that I thought would make some cool texture. So today I'm working on Canson mixed media paper. And my palette I'm going to use is Anita's Metallic Classic Gold. Let me bring you in a bit. You're way out there. Okay, and then Golden Titan Buff, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is going to be quite the palette here. Golden Teal, and then I've got Chalk Rich Black and Chalk Sheepskin, and I may use those. I'm not quite sure yet how it's going to go down, but that's the fun of these intuitive pages here. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and get everything set up, and let's do this. Okay guys, so here is this crazy page all done and dry now, and I had such a good time doing this. This is unlike anything I can think of that I've done in the past. I just really kept, once I got the bricks going, I really kind of wanted this urban party, tribal, like timeless, like this city is here for this moment, but there's so much history in this area that goes beyond this brick wall. You know, that's kind of what I started thinking when I laid down the brick stencil. So I love that though. I really like to cut loose with my imagination and just go. And sometimes I'll get stuck and be like, oh, what do I do next? And my solution for that has been to just grab the next art supply, grab the next paint color, and force myself to use it. So this was something I really just let go with. And you know, the palette's cool. The thing I really like about this palette is that there's a lot of contrast. It's not my absolute favorite, and I really wasn't all that happy with the green, but the more I look at it, the more I like it. It's spread around just enough to be interesting, but not so much that it's too much, you know what I mean? So thanks once again for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I surely invite you to for more of these fun pages and all kinds of other stuff coming up. But yeah, get your stuff out and give this intuitive abstract painting a try. I think you'll just be amazed at the fun you can have. So anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you real soon.